Hello there, my superstars! I trust you're all doing great! Today, we will learn about words we can read on sight. Sight words are commonly used words which we recognize immediately without sounding them out. We use sight words always as we speak and read. Examples of simple two-letter sight words are an, in, is, on, it, me, my, to, up, we, and many more. Now, I am on my way to search for some three-letter sight words in this jungle. Would you like to join me? Okay then, come along. See and did. Yes. Run. Big. Can. For. Now. To. It. Who. Red. But. Say. One. That was so much fun, friends! Now, here are some examples of these sight words in sentences. I love pancakes and ice cream. I can see with my eyes. We are going to the beach. The sun is out. This rose is red. Okay, literacy stars. Now, it's your turn to form some simple sentences with some of the sight words we found. Ready? Great! Your first word is red.
I have many red crayons.
Super! Your next word is can.
I can jump.
Great job! The last word is you.
Do you want to sing a song?
Yes, friends! I would love to sing a song if we had more time. But we have to come to the end of this lesson. I am super proud of you for staying focused and participating. Learning and knowing the sight words makes our blending and reading easier and super fun. I'll see you again soon. Bye, friends!